How to get more online traffic to your video or blog. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a secret strategy on how to get more online traffic to your video or blog. No one talks about this super secret method. The cool thing is that it's very easy to do and doesn't take up a lot of time. If you watch the entire video, I will reveal a special bonus that you don't want to miss that will help your traffic explode. But do not skip ahead, otherwise you will miss a crucial step that you need to know about to make the bonus work. But before we begin, please subscribe to my channel. Share this video with everyone you know. Please like this video by smashing that like button. And please leave a nice comment down below and say hello. Okay, let's jump back into the video.
I'm going to show you a secret strategy no one is talking about that actually works to help people get more traffic and views to their content, and perhaps even making some sales if you have, like you're doing some affiliate marketing, or you're doing drop shipping or whatever the case may be. So how are we going to do that? Okay, as you can hear, I have a puppy in the background who's got a squeaky toy. Sorry about that. So he's going to do his thing back there. So please ignore him. This is super important. This is really crucial for you to do market research before you try selling anything online. And that is by finding out what's trending. Okay, so YouTube, for instance, has all these different basically channels, and you can find out what's trending in each of these niches. Okay, so what's really interesting is that these are actual channels. These are not niches per se. These are actual channels. So you can go down here and find out what's trending. But let's say we are trying to make or actually selling digital products to help people start a business online. So what you want to do is go up here and click on a search term called Make Money Online, right? And you can see what types of videos are trending. And you can do that by going to the filters and going down to view count. By clicking the view count, you can see what is going on with how to make money online. Now, the first one is always going to be an ad. That doesn't count, okay? The other ones do. 9 passive income ideas, how I make $27,000 per week. 10 million views a year ago, okay? That's when this was put up. 10 million views. 10 legit ways to make money and passive income. But these Practical Wisdom is a big channel. They have a very large following. This is not to say that when you are going to put up a video, you're automatically going to get 10 million views. Sorry, it just doesn't work that way. You got to build up to that. But if you have a digital product and that's going to help other people start a new business online, this is how you do it. There's a problem that these people are not doing. As you can see, it has a call to action here. That's kind of what we want to see. This person doesn't. This person doesn't. And this one is just looks like a music video, so that doesn't really count. I don't even know why that popped up in there. Probably because it got 41 million hits. What you want to do, folks, is to sell a product that correlates to your search term, obviously, but you want to have your link in the very first sentence of your description. I'm going to tell you why. When I made a video, how to save money when grocery shopping, and it's only got 119 views. Come on, people. I just put it up yesterday. I have a call to action right here. Click here for free training and then the link. As you can see, YouTube has truncated my description, meaning it's not going to be seen. However, YouTube will still use the information in your description for looking up, doing search terms. And as you can see, I have all these tags over here, which are super important, especially if you're a new YouTuber and you want to get more traction. You got to put this stuff in, okay? Hands down, you got to do it. You got to do the work. Even before you make the video, you need to find out what people are looking for, okay? And the best place to find that out is trending searches. You can find out daily search trends, real-time search trends. So this is what's going on now. People are looking up what happened in Las Vegas with the flood. Julio Jones, a chemical substance, emergency evacuation out in California, chemical leak from a rail car. In Paris, California closes the 215 freeway, forces evacuations. Fortnite.
Thank you for watching this video. In appreciation to your attention, I've added this quick bonus section. Please watch it all the way through. If you like what you saw, please sign up for this free training. The link is in the description. We'll see you on the inside.
This is what's called 10 racks, as they say in the hood. That's $10,000 right here. And this is the amount of money I make every single day online. Now, how to make money online? It's a huge question. It's a huge question. It's the goal of like everybody on the planet. How can you use a computer to make money? How can you use a computer to make money? Because if you can make money on the internet, you can live anywhere you want to be. You can do anything you want to do. You can work anytime you want to work with your time. Now, every day I wake up and I have a choice to make. I have a lot of choices. I can do anything I want with my time because my business is completely automated. My business allows me to make $10,000 every single day. And I'm actually going to show you in this training that I'm holding this week exactly how you can build your own online business, how you can actually copy and paste a business with that's already proven, like a franchise owner. Don't be an entrepreneur. Do not be an entrepreneur. Be a franchise owner. You can model something that's already proven and you can use it to make lots of money online. Here, let me show you. So here, come over here. So this is my computer over here, and this here, let me show you. This is the amount of money I make. This is one of my accounts, and this is the amount of money I make every single day. $3,473 I've made just so far today. That's just so far today. Here, come here. $6,252. Here's what I've made so far this month, okay? Here's what I've made so far this month. Current sales, that's $299,000. It's about $10,000 every single day. Look at what I made last month. last month, $339,579.49. Now, on this free training that I'm going to show you, I'm actually going to be giving this away. All this money here, I'm actually going to be giving it away to you. To those of you that are on this training and who are engaged, I'm going to be giving this away because I want people to understand what it is like, that this is possible. But what you have to do here, come back here, is you have to understand how the system works. You have to understand, we've been taught to use our hands. We've been taught to work for companies. We've been taught to work for hourly wages or monthly salaries like chattel slaves. We've been conditioned through the education system. Don't ask questions, stay your role, wait your turn. They've conditioned us through a governmentally controlled education system to stick in our place and work a job which will never afford us the ability to make serious money and live a life of freedom. The computer democratizes everything. This is your chance to make money and make a lot of it. This is your chance to make serious cash. Now, if you sign up for this training, when you sign up for this training, I will be giving away, I'll be explaining to you how I am giving away this money, and I will be showing you how you can get it, okay? I'm also going to be showing you how you can make this sort of money every single day without having a prior existing audience, without having to invest lots of your own money, without having to spend a lot of your time, without having to buy products and start an e-commerce or an Amazon FBA or drop shipping or Shopify business, without having to do sales calls every day, and without having to deal with all of the hassles, just using a computer to earn you money. That's all you need. All you need is a laptop or desktop computer to earn you money, and that's what I'm going to show you in this training. So sign up. There should be a link somewhere around this video, and I'm going to show you how to make the Benjamins, how to make friends with some of these guys, make time for money. I'm going to show you the way, and it's really exciting on the other side. So let's get it. I'll see you on the training.
Thank you for watching today's video. Please smash that like button. Please share this video with everyone you know. Hit the share buttons down below. Leave a nice comment down there and say hi. Tell us where you're from. Last but certainly not least, please subscribe to my channel. And turn on the notifications by clicking that little bell icon so you know when we put up a new video, like that. You are awesome. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye, guys.